Hi, this is Sunnyvale CA. I would like to invite you to my beautiful new listing right here in the heart of Sunnyvale, 125 Connemara Way, Unit 71. This is a 2-bedroom, 1.5 unit. And guess what? This is a planned urban development, not a condo. So townhome in the time when lender gives you a lot of hard time, this would be perfect for you. I would like to show you inside this beautiful listing. Come on, check it out with me. This 2-bedroom, 1.5 bath downstairs offers you an open floor plan that you can customize to your taste. It has different settings that you can make it for home office or for your everyday lifestyle. The kitchen offers open floor plan and stainless steel appliances. It also has exhaust going out and central heating and central cooling. The washer dryer is indoor, and you have a backyard that you can customize to your taste and have some green thumb that will give you I think it's a southern exposure, so you get a lot of sunlight in the backyard as well. Private backyard just for you, and it is amazing. You can actually put a barbecue here or just have memories that you make with your families. In the back, you actually have an open area where anybody can play, or you can just go for an evening stroll. It also gives you a lot of privacy because there's no neighbor in the front or in the back side. This backyard is perfect. I'm going to chill here, and hopefully I'll see you here as well. Upstairs, we have 2 bedrooms along with 1 bath, and they are very large sized rooms with large closets. This complex offers you a lot of walkways, a swimming pool, green area, and a place where you can have your evening stroll and walks. 2 patios are perfect for privacy and some green thumb and some plantation. This unit is very private all the way in the back of the complex and gives you a very private setting. Walk to school, all 3 of them in a very close proximity, and HOA covers a lot of amenities. Come and see me for all those details. It also comes with 1 parking spot, which is assigned to you, and you're gonna love living here, I can promise you. Come and check it out at the open house. This is Sunnyvale CA, 408-916-6135. You can contact me or contact your realtor to come in for a private viewing or see you at the open house. I promise you, you're gonna love living here because this is a very beautiful community. See you soon.